Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this leaf bunting. So let's get started. I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook and this yarn for my project. This is a cotton yarn. So first of all make a slip knot, and now with the help of crochet hook start making chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and chain 6. After making 6 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring, and now we have to work into this ring. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5. After making 5 chains, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times, go into this ring, pull the yarn and draw a loop. Now pull the yarn through 2 loops, then pull the yarn through 2 loops, and after that pull the yarn through last 2 loops. This is our treble crochet stitch. Now make another treble crochet into this ring. This is the treble crochet 2. Now make treble crochet 3 into the ring, and then make treble crochet 4 into the ring, then treble crochet 5, and after that the last one is treble crochet 6. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Again wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times and make 6 trebles into this ring. Again treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, then treble crochet 3, treble crochet 4, and the last one treble crochet 5, and after that the last one is treble crochet 6. So we have made 6 treble crochets on the other side also. Now we would make 5 chains, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5. After making 5 chains, make a slip stitch into this ring, and now our first round is completed. For the second one we have to work into this chain 5 space. So start making single crochets into this space. Make single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4, and the last one is single crochet 5. So make 5 single crochets into this chain 5 space. After that into the first treble crochet, make half double crochet, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into that treble and draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops, and pull the yarn through all loops together. Now into the next one make a double crochet stitch, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet stitches in the next 4 treble crochets also. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and the last one is double crochet 4 into the last treble crochet. Now we have to work into this chain 3 space. So here we would make treble crochets. So treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, treble crochet 3, and then 2 chains, chain 1, chain 2, and after that again make 3 trebles into this chain 3 space, treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, and the last one is treble crochet 3 into this same chain 3 space. And now we have to repeat the opposite process. We would make 5 double crochets in these 5 treble crochets, and the very first from here we have made half double, so we would make 5 double crochets into chain 5. So I have made all these stitches 5 double crochets in 5 trebles, half double crochet in the last treble, and 5 single crochets into this chain 5 space. Now make a slip stitch into this first slip stitch of first round. After that, in each single crochet we would make single crochet stitches. So make single crochet in very first single crochet stitch. I have forgot to make chain 1, so first of all make chain 1 and then make a single crochet into the very first single crochet stitch. After that make a single crochet into the next single crochet stitch and make single crochet 3 times in the next 3 stitches of chain 5 space. And now make single crochet into half double crochet. After that into next double crochet stitches make 2 single crochets in each, single crochet 1 and single crochet 2 into the same stitch, single crochet 1 and single crochet 2 into the next stitch, again make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the next double crochet stitch, again make 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches. Now in 3 treble, in the first 2 we would make 2 single crochets in each, so single crochet 1 and single crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now into the next one make single crochet 1 and into the next one again make single crochet 1. So in the first treble we would make 2 single crochets, in the next 2 we would make 1. Now into the chain 2 space make a half double crochet stitch, then make 3 chains, and after that into the same chain 2 space make a half double crochet stitch. Now into this treble crochet make a single crochet, into the next one again make a single crochet, and into the next treble make 2 single crochet, single crochet 1 and single crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now into the next 5 double crochet stitches make single crochet 2 times in each. By the way, do subscribe to my channel for more and more updates, daily updates on crochet work. You will find every type of crochet work tutorial on my channel, so do subscribe. And now in the last half double crochet stitch make 1 single crochet as we have done from other side. Now in these chain 5 single crochet stitches make 1 single crochet in each, And now make a slip stitch into this slip stitch. Now the petal is ready. Now the leaf is ready. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, 7 and 8. You can make 10 also. Now make chain 1 and make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. You can also make slip stitch if you want. I am making a single crochet in this one. So make single crochet in the next 8 chain spaces. Single crochet into the next chain. Single crochet into the next chain. And we would make single crochets in each chain. At the end of the row we would have 8 single crochet stitches in 8 chains. Now make a slip stitch into this single crochet stitch, which is the first single crochet stitch. Now pull the yarn and cut it with the help of cutter. Remove the extra yarn strand and now weave this yarn end at the back side of your work with the help of yarn needle. I have woven the yarn ends. So this is our leaf bunting. If you like the video, give it huge thumbs up and don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video and appreciating. Bye.